Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Harbor Street and we're going to tell you about a massive development taking place on Harbor Street. It's located at 2 to 8 Harbor Street. This is where the Kingston Ice Factory used to be. Now, originally they had plans to build a high-rise residential tower there, but those plans did not work out. And Barita Investments bought the property for 5 million US or 800 million Jamaican. The property where it's on the right, we're going to turn in and show you now. The property is 3 acres. Now, Barita plans to build a hotel here, a commercial complex, and a residential tower. They plan to put up a development larger than the residential development that was planned here. And one of the key features of this property is it overlooks the Kingston Harbor, prime real estate. And the government is doing the Kingston Harbor Walk, which is a $1 billion development to basically build a boardwalk across the Kingston Harbor. And the section straight ahead will be a major part of the Kingston Harbor Walk. So this is prime real estate. Grace Kennedy also owns a lot of properties on Harbor Street. This section of downtown Kingston is undergoing some major renovation. Now we are going to give you more information on what Barita has planned here. And Barita is becoming a major player in the real estate market. They have developments, major developments, $1 billion developments planned for all over Jamaica. So, but we'll go into those in other videos. A major redevelopment is taking shape on Harbor Street in downtown Kingston, where Barita Investments is planning a large mixed-use development on the site of the former Kingston Ice Factory. The project is significant because it could introduce a combination of waterfront, residential, commercial, and hotel facilities to an important section of Kingston's waterfront. Barita acquired the former Kingston Ice property in March 2021 for approximately US 5.4 million, or about Jamaican 800 million at the time. The property covers roughly 134,000 square feet, equivalent to about 3 acres. The property is located at 2 to 8 Harbor Street, toward the eastern end of Harbor Street in downtown Kingston. Barita's own real estate portfolio information describes it as a corner property on the southern side of the 4-lane Harbor Street, close to Lower South Camp Road, the Harborfront Roundabout, and Michael Manley Boulevard. The site is approximately 2.79 acres in that portfolio description. That location gives the project an important advantage. It sits directly within the developing Kingston waterfront corridor with access to the downtown business district and the harbor. The project is planned as a mixed-use waterfront development. Current information from Barita's real estate development team indicates that the concept includes waterfront residential properties, commercial space, a hotel, a combination of uses designed around the waterfront location. The development is expected to take approximately 3 to 5 years to complete once the project moves fully into construction. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And as we said earlier, this is where the Kingston Ice Factory used to be. And as you can see, they have cleared the land. So they're going to start pretty soon. Alright guys, have a good day. We'll keep you guys updated on this development.